In this video, I will show you how to start a chat with someone of your contacts on WhatsApp. So if you want to start a chat with someone of your contacts on WhatsApp, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going to open our WhatsApp, and from here, we are going to click on chats. And if you want to start a chat, then you need to click on this plus icon all the way at the top right. So let's click on that. And then in here, you will see all of your contacts basically. So if you want to start a chat with someone, you will see that contacts popping up in here. And if you do not see a contact visible in here, then it is probably because you have just added that contact and that it is not visible yet in WhatsApp. It takes some time to sync your contacts through WhatsApp. So what you can do then is you can close the app and then start it up again, and then just wait until your contact will be visible in here. If it still doesn't work, you can also click on new contact in here and then just type in the name and the mobile number, then click on save, and then you will see your contact in WhatsApp immediately if that person has a WhatsApp account. Because sometimes you will not see a contact visible in WhatsApp, and that is because they have not set up WhatsApp on that phone number. So if you have a contact, then you're just going to click on that contact like I'm going to do in here. And now, as you can see, I can start chatting with this contact. So let's say that I type, hey, then I will now see that this message is delivered. And now I'm ready to start a chat with this person. So I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.